How to fix we cannot activate Windows on this device as we cannot connect to your organization activation server. Error code 0xC004F074. For this first step, click settings, click system settings, click activation settings, click it, and here you have seen the troubleshoot. Follow the on-screen instruction. You can click it and as per instruction you can follow it. This is one method, and come to next method. Close it. Install the correct product key. Open up settings, click system settings, scroll down, click activation settings. If you have the product key, enter your valid 25 character Windows key, click change and you can enter it, and come to next step. Search for CMD, right click run as administrative, and type the following text: SFC space / scan now. Click enter and wait for some time because actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will throw up here. Once complete after, if there is any corrupted file having means it will show here. You can check it. If there is no corrupted file, exit and come to next step. Check your internet connection, check your network and restart your device. Thank you.